How to embed Calendly on your WordPress website. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Calendly onto your WordPress. So let's get started. Now, if you have a WordPress website and if you want a scheduling software for yourself, if you want to schedule your appointments, your meetings, your events, or anything, you are going to need Calendly because it is the best platform that can generate forms for you, that can generate scheduling forms, appointment forms, and everything for you and in one place. So how to basically get that into your WordPress? It's very easy and you just need to see this video until the end. I'll show you a very quick and easy way to do that. So there are two options actually. What you can do is basically you can just go on to plugins from right here. When you open your WordPress, this is your dashboard. When you go down, you'll find your plugins right here. You can go on to your add new plugin and you can add the plugin of your Calendly and you'll be able to add your Calendly to your WordPress like that. You will just have to install that plugin. You have to activate that plugin. You have to sign it and you're good to go. But if you don't want to do that, if you are basically, there's another way that you can do that as well, from which you can directly add your Calendly onto your page. So for that, what you need to do is you have to open calendly.com. Here you can see this is basically Calendly, and this is basically allows easy scheduling ahead, and this is basically the home page of Calendly. When you open it, this is going to look like this. Now you need to log in and you need to get started accordingly. If you have signed up already, you can just go on and sign up, and if you don't, then you can just go on and click on this. If you don't have an account, you can just go on and log in. I'm just going to go on and complete this login process, then I'll come back to you guys. So this is going to be your Calendly homepage, and here you can see I have some events created for myself. This is a 30-minute meeting. This is a WordPress 30 minutes on the one-on-one view booking page and everything. So you can just go on and create these kind of events on Calendly. But before that, I'm just going to show you how you can get your Calendly into your embed your Calendly into your WordPress. For that, what you need to do is you have to click on this option which says account. You have to open that, and here you'll find this option which says share your link. Open this option, and here you'll find three kind of links. You can link this, copy your link, you have your email your link, and add to your website. To add to your website, you need to this embed code. You need to click on this and you need to find this embed code. How do you want to add Calendly to your website? Inline embed, load your Calendly scheduling page directly in your website. Pop-up widget adds a floating button to your site that launches Calendly as a pop-up. Pop-up text, add a text link to your website that launches Calendly as a pop-up. So if you want to have your whole form integrated onto Calendly, this is basically going to the link that you need. If you want it to be a button, if you want to do a pop-up widget, you can just click on go on it with this code. If you want it to be a pop-up text, you can just go on with this code. But I want an inline embed. It looks really professional. I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to click on continue. So after you have done that, here you are going to find a code that you need to copy. So it's not frightening. I know it's not technical at all. You just need to copy and you need to paste. You have your booking page settings right here. You can customize the look of your booking page to fit seamlessly into your website. You can hide page details. You can hide the cookie banner if you want to. If you want to add different text color, if you have to add a different background color, button and link color, you can just go on and change these settings as well. But for that, you need to basically have a subscription, a better paid version of the Calendly, which I'm not using right now, so I cannot access any of this option. So after you're done, you can just click on this option which says copy code, and your code will be copied. Now what you need to do is you need to go onto your dashboard again, and then you need to open the pages and you need to add a new page. After you have done that, here you will see this is a new page added onto your website. I'm going to name this page, let's say, appointments, and this is the page that I have added on my WordPress website. After you have done that, you need to add in in this option which says type or to choose a block. I'm just going to click on this option with the plus sign, and I'm going to click on this option which says code. After add in the code option, you need to write the code that you have copied from Calendly. You just need to paste this code right here. After you have done that, here you can see your code has been added. Now when you will basically publish your page, this code is going to transform into your Calendly. It's going to be transformed into a link, or it is going to be transformed into the event or the appointment that you have created. You just need to go on and click on publish, and it will be added to your website. It's that easy. You can just go on and directly add it into your website, and your Calendly will be integrated with it. So if you want to change the settings of the code, you can just go on and you can see hide more settings, copy, duplicate, insert before, insert after, edit as HTML, log, and add to reusable blocks and group and everything. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, or you can also add another link to this as well, and you can just go on and code change block type or style. You can you don't want to do that, so this is how it's going to look like. So after that, what you can do is I'm just going to go on Calendly and I'm going to show you how you can basically create an appointment on Calendly. I'm just going to close it, and here you can see you have your create option. When you click on create, you can create an event type, one-off meeting, and meeting poll. And if you want to add your availability hours, like if you run a clinic, if you're a doctor, and if you have a website, if you want to add your availability hours that you are basically available from this time to this time, you can just click on this option which says availability, and you can set your availability, which will be displayed on your website whenever a person visits your Calendly. Okay, so this is basically your working hours. This is your event type 1. This is the time zone, and set your weekly work hours. Sunday is unavailable. Monday I'm available from 9 to 5. Okay, if you want to add another interval from Monday, you can just go on 5 p.m. to 6, I take a break, then 6 to 7 I'm available again. Want to duplicate this, copy times for Monday. If you want to do that, you can do that as well. If you want to eliminate any day, just click on this and you're available on Monday. If you want to delete this specific interval, then you can just go on delete it, and you can add a different interval from this option right here. Just click on this and you'll have your interval again. So you can just go on and add these timings. You can add a date which overrides, like if you're not going to be available on a specific date which is not actually a holiday, you can just go on and click on this option which says add a date override. You can just see the calendar view. You can add a new schedule as well. This is basically a basic schedule which says working hours. If you want to add a new schedule, like if you run a class on your clinic as well, we can add a schedule for the class. That class is going to be held from 2 to 3 p.m. and this is going to be what it's like and everything. You can just add all of these details. So you can just go on and create a new schedule for yourself. So this is how basically you add your availability. Now if you want to create an event, you can just go on to your home. I'm just going to show you how you can create an event on Calendly as well. It's also very easy. Just I have told you before, just click on this option, event type, one-off meeting. Invite someone to pick up a time to meet with you. I'm just going to click on this one-off meeting. Like if you are a business administrator, if you want to add an appointment, one-off meeting schedule onto your website that a person can use, and whenever they want to have a scheduled meeting for you you can just add this in your website. So new one-off meeting, this is the time zone. Duration is going to be 30 minutes. You can change the duration to 15, 30, 45, 1 hour custom duration. I'm just going to make it 1 hour. Then you have your working hours. I'm just going to click on this option, and I'm going to add the working hours that I've added in my availability. I'm going to add that in here. Now if you want to add a different time, like this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is here right now, I'm unavailable. If you want to add a different time right here which I'm going to be available on, I'm just going to click 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. I'm going to add a different time, like I'm available on 1 p.m. I'm going to add this as available. If I want to add this option as available, you can just click on these blocks and you can add your availabilities. After that, click on next, and here you can see 2 times on 1 days. For 60 minutes I'm available, and meeting name is this, and location is going to be like it's going to be a phone call. Let's say it's going to be a Zoom meeting. I'm just going to click on Zoom. Then you have your Zoom is not connected. If you have to basically integrate Zoom onto your Calendly to access this specific option. You have your reserved times. You can just go on put places on your calendars for offered times until one of them is booked, and I'm going to click on this which says publish meeting. So this will be added into your meetings. When a person is basically looking for a chance or looking for a time to meet you, they're basically going to check your schedule and going to book that meeting slot with you, and you're going to be within that meeting in a hassle-free method. So your meeting is ready to share. You can just go on and share this link with the interested persons as well, or you can just share this link onto your profile and you can embed it onto your appointments as well. So this is how you can do that, and this is how basically you use Calendly, and this is how basically you can embed Calendly on your WordPress. This was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, just comment it down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.